Hi, I'm a financial controller for a fintech company in Georgia. I've been in my current role for 4 years and lead a team of 8 staff members. The service we offer our consumers is a rent to own financing arrangement for their HVAC systems. Our company's capital structure is private equity coupled with debt financing. I'm in charge of our monthly close process, all audits, banking exams, and in the past 16 months, I've led our team through 3 system conversions. That included a change from Salesforce to an Oracle product for our customer facing system. We changed our invoice processing system from Chargent to Invoice Cloud, and finally our accounting system from Accounting Seed to SAP. I am also heavily involved with a variety of Treasury functions that include cash forecasting, liquidity requirements, and daily banking transactions. That's a little bit about my current situation, and I appreciate your time and consideration.